kicking off the first trading day of February 2015. My name's Dez, and it is Monday, February 2nd, 2015, and I'm leading things off to show off our very new and super duper uber cool and shiny website. If you go here to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and here it is. A lot of information here. If you'll notice at the top about us, you can go in here, look at some reviews and contact us and whatever. But the videos, if you go to the videos, and then the chart school, which is loaded with it's awesome stuff I'll be sharing with you here. But trading videos, when you go here to the trading videos, you'll see that you'll have our video here. Boom, you just click one link and boom, you get my latest video, you get Mark's latest video, and you can go down here and look at all of our other videos in line and in sequential order here. This is my trading desk, by the way, that I'm showing right up here. But one click gets you all this information, and quickly. If you go here to the chart school, you can click just on the chart school. Everything is on one page. You can click on all these. If you go to, let's say, an indicator, let's go to, I don't know, ADX indicator. You'll see some information, ADX definition, and and you can hit a print button or get a PDF of this page for your own records. Furthermore, if I go over here to indicators, like some of them, like the parabolic SAR, which I love as an indicator, same stuff. You get the definition, you get some background on it, and practical use. The practical use part is very important on all these. If you're going to print this off, make sure you highlight the practical use part. That's the most important. But down here, check this out. Here's a chart of the spider, SPY. Shows you the parabolic SAR on here. Check this out. It is a live chart. You can move it around. You can do whatever. If I click the little button right up here, I can get a trend line. I can draw trend lines right on this chart. Check this out. Boom. That is awesome. You can go here and play around, do whatever you want on this chart. Again, it's real time, and you can move it back and forth. A lot of people wondering what charts that I use, and I was using eSignal. This is not eSignal, and this is TradingView, and this is awesome. So not only do you get to read about the different indicators and oscillators out there, you get to see them in their practical use in real time on a chart that is right now. It's a relevant chart for today on the spiders. It is super cool. So the chart school is just loaded with information, trading videos, obviously. Now this is updated, brand new, gang. This is a much bigger 101 course. It is foundational. If you do these, they are brand new, hot off the press. You're gonna love these videos. Make sure you get signed up for them. You'll get 6 of them. You can download them for your own use, and you will get them every 2 days. Every 2 days they'll be sent to you. And then if you go to Grok Trading Education or Grok Trade, that is a brand new site too. What I will do is not introduce this one to you today, but let's get right to the charts. Go to that website, by the way, look for that Easter egg. All right, so check it out. Here's the S&P 500. We have this trend line. We said big warning on Friday, big breakdown. This could be trouble. But on Monday, we started to break down. Everything looked bad, and then we rallied north. We had big time support of the banks. Let me show this to you. The S&P up 1.3%. Dow up more than 1%. However, a little laggy here on the NASDAQ. It's only up 0.9%, about the same for the Russells. But the banks were up 2.5%. A huge rally in the banks. Gang, that is great support. I got rid of all of my hedge protection today for the long side because of what I saw here on the banks. The VIX down 7.34%, confirming today's big bullish move. I do not like that the small caps did not fare the best. I would have liked to have seen them up around 2% too. Gold down 0.83%. Silver down 0.42%. Crude oil, huge spike higher, 4.5%. And U.S. dollar down a fraction. So here we are looking at the S&P Daily 500, and we look at all the moving averages. See how they're all coiling together? The longer this happens, the more strength this will build up. So mark my words here. We are building this huge triangle. And so in this one, because we rallied back higher today, I'm going to massage this trend line. So we hit the bodies here. We hit the wick here. Bodies here. So this is let me move this screen up a little bit here. All right. So this is going into the apex. There's a symmetrical triangle building up a lot of power. It's like a coiling spring. This thing's going to pop out big time, or it's going to drop big time. Do not worry about the little squirrely stuff that happens around the trend lines. We're not looking for that. So Max, you're one that's been giving us some great comments, and you're a student of ours, so I'm giving you a shout out tonight. So don't pay too much attention to these trend lines when it comes to making buy decisions on them exactly. What I'm looking for in a symmetrical triangle is a decisive move. So if today, like this morning, when we started dropping here, if I would have seen a market internal starting to bleed out, I would have started loading up short. But because I did not see that and things starting to go bullish, there was no need to do that yet. A lot of times you'll have these lower shadows on swing areas. Same thing on the upper side. But if I had a decisive close on big volume with some follow through on that, that's when I'd be looking to go short, or vice versa on the long side going long. And here we are taking a look at NASDAQ was never in violation of the trend line, but it did break it today and shot right back higher, caught up again in the moving average, big symmetrical triangle there. Gold, it's started to pop here. It pulled back a little bit, still above the rising 20-day moving average, and for the most part, same for silver. However, silver is below the 20-day moving average. So there it is. There is the very latest on the stocks that are out there today. Oh, by the way, Amazon, hey, I do have a big long on this. I've been holding this for a while. It's making me some killer money. It's trying to break right through this resistance area. Be interesting to see if we can keep momentum going to the high side. Really happy. I've got a big position on this one. It's doing quite well. Anyway, Apple also, just kind of hanging in there. Go to the website, get things signed up for the 101s, and explore around, find that Easter egg.